Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got Color Spectrum Fireballs and Joyful Nail JO-2251 nail stickers. I've already got on my Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And here is Color Spectrum Fireballs from the Polish Gamer box. It was an oldie but goodie. Very pretty. We're going to go on in with our first coat of Fireballs. It's like a off-white kind of, or maybe it's supposed to be a white, I'm not sure. But it's got little black and red, like square glitters in it. It's very cute polish. And I am having to pull back the skin so I can kind of do a capping of my free edge. Hi, Woody. How you doing? So we're going to go in with the second coat. And I am going to, like I said, I've been, suffering breakage and damage to my nails. So I'm trying to get back into painting my nails, even though they're itty bitties. I'm going to top this with some I&M out the door. Get it to dry down. Today I'm going to be playing with stickers. And you guys know I always make that look a little more challenging than it has to be. Maybe today will be a little better. We'll see. Woody's back again. Hi, Woody. Alright, there is a swatch photo of it glossy on its own. Once that's dry, I'm going in with the Anchor and Heart Sea Glass Fairy Slipper. It's a matte top coat. I'm going to mattify these so I can see them matte. I like them matte. Very cute. Joyful Nail JO-2251 nail stickers. They're like silver stars and butterflies. So we're going to use a combination of these on all the nails. Because, since I haven't been playing on my natural nails, I want to really get to playing here. And that's why I wanted my nail polish really dry, because I knew I was going to be jabbing and poking and moving stuff. It's all good. And using that little rubber end of that tool from Maniology to smooth it out some. I love this tweezers with the little rubber end. Little hoof looking thing. It's helping me out big time. I love it. Because it's firm. It's way more firm than my silicone tool. And my silicone tool is a great tool also, but it's for other stuff. Get this flipped around so I can get this butterfly on it. I'm trying to go diagonal because my nails are teeny tiny, y'all. I mean, I literally barely have a free edge on these jokers. That's okay. We're working on it. And mostly it's stars. I did use that one butterfly, but I'm going with the smaller stickers because of the tiny nail beds here. Little bitties. There we go. Yay! What's bad about it is the stickers stick to the tweezers, so then when you lay it down, it doesn't want to let go of the tweezers. That's, difficult in many respects. That one went on pretty good. Now to smooth them down to the nail, make sure they're sticking good. Nothing makes me crazier than stickers popping up. There we go. One more. Rub-a-dub-dub. Get that thing done. And there you have it. We're going to do some top coating. I did trim that little piece off of the butterfly that was sticking off. I just used my little scissors for that. And we are topping today with my Poshe top coat. Well, it's not mine. I mean, it is my bottle. Woody back again. He's busy. And there it is. Here is my manicure. I do hope you enjoyed this one. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.